Germany, Turkey, Israel, Switzerland and Saudi Arabia are among the countries that have announced the banning of such flights to prevent the spread of a variant of SARS-CoV-2 virus currently termed 501.V2 variant. The ban was coming into effect on Monday in most of these countries. Germany was one of the first nations to announce the ban. Because of the reported coronavirus mutation, the federal government intends to restrict travel options between Germany and Great Britain and South Africa, said government spokesperson Martina Fietz. Israel also banned the flights on Sunday, saying that its citizens returning from South Africa will be required to undergo a 30-day mandatory quarantine on their return. The new variant was discovered in the Eastern Cape and also affects KwaZulu-Natal and the Western Cape. Health Minister Zweli Mkhize said his department had been observing a huge number of young people with no illness testing positive lately.
Variants of SARS-CoV-2 virus, currently termed 501V2 variant, has been identified by genomics scientists here in South Africa. This is a version of the Covid-19 virus that the scientists want to indicate to us what has happened in terms of their findings. This genomics team, led by KwaZulu-Natal Research, Innovation and Sequencing Platform, which is called CRISP, has sequenced hundreds of samples from across the country since the beginning of the pandemic in March. As they will elaborate shortly, they noticed that a particular variant has increasingly dominated the findings of samples collected in the past 2 months. In addition, clinicians have been providing anecdotal evidence of a shift in the clinical epidemiological picture, and in particular noting that they're seeing a larger proportion of younger patients with no comorbidities presenting with critical illness. The evidence that has been collated therefore strongly suggests that the current second wave we're experiencing is also therefore being driven by this new variant.
The evidence that has been collated therefore strongly suggests that the current second wave the country is experiencing is being driven by his new variant, he said. A number of countries have also added Britain in their list of banned flights following the discovery of a COVID-19 variant there.